Corner and curve getter, inner fit, and jump ring maker all in one? Yes, please and thank you, Creators brand Fid'l Stik. I'm gonna show you how to use it. Let's go. All the tools and supplies you see here are available in my shop if you need them. When you get to corners, you always want to make sure that you have that corner smushed in very nicely so that your other portion is going to overlap it well, right? But if you don't have fingernails, that can be difficult. That's where this little tapered end portion comes into play, and we can just get that boom, 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 down and in there nicely. The next portion is, you see this little itty bitty bit right here? Even with my tiny carny hands, trying to push that in with your finger is difficult. You can kind of try to go in from the side like this, like that, but pain in the butt. That's where this side, or even this side if it's not too big, comes into play, and you can whoop, 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 get it down like that, like this. Even easier when you're not holding your hands up in the air like this for the camera. You can hold this however you want, whatever makes you feel comfortable. I like to hold it like I'm peeling a potato. Here's the skinny end, and we just go like this, right around, and we have now burnished the outside. This end you can use to do the front and back of your piece quite easily, or again, you can use this side and do it like this, whatever makes you feel happy. The second and very freaking cool part about this is it is also the jump ring maker, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You want to grab yourself some 14, 16, or 18 gauged tinned wire, and you're going to get either a flat nose or a bent nose, whatever you have handy in the shop, and you're going to grab at the end there, and we're just going to put a little bend in it. Just like that. Boom. Find the hole. Boom, stick it in there, and now you're going to stick your thumb over top to hold it in place, and we are going to wrap the wire. The key when you're making jump rings is to keep each wire wrap as close to the one prior to it as humanly possible, because that is going to give you the nicest, most even jump rings, the most even circles. You can obviously do considerably more wire than I did. And you can either leave them on there and just clink, 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 clip them off as you need them, so it's a little storage container, or if you want to take them all off at once, you just snip where we put that little bend in, snip that off, and slide, throw everything everywhere, and then just slide the whole thing right off. Now remember, when you're making jump rings, you want to go in one straight line all the way across all of them. This is a Hakko flush cutter. It's super good and it cuts great. So you can do like this many for sure at one time. If your cutter isn't as good or you don't have quite as much hand strength, that's all right. You can just do one at a time. Just make sure you're going in a straight line all the way across so all of your circle ends meet in the middle. And here we go. We're going to give it a quick bonk, and bada bing, we got ourselves jump rings. If you have any questions, let me know and visit the shop. Peace, love, and stained glass. Okay, bye!